Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners. I am MD Rakibul Islam, Assistant Teacher English, Hogolpati Dautala Union Secondary School, Bamna, Borguna. I welcome you all to my today's class. My today's class is for class 9 and 10. English second paper. Our today's topic is narration. My dear learners, you participated in my previous class. My previous class also was about narration. As I didn't complete the class the previous day, so our today's topic is about narration. My dear learners, in our previous class, we learned narration is two kinds. Number one, direct narration and indirect narration. We also learned direct narration has two parts. Number one, reporting verb, and number two, reported speech. In reporting verb and reported speech, we learned few things. The things was, follow the example. Robbie said, I am ill. Here we changed I into he, because I told you in my previous class, first person is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. So there is a close relation between reporting verb and reported speech, because if we want to change a reported speech into direct to indirect, then we have to depend on the reporting verb and the sentence and tense of the reported speech. So, in our previous class, I told you that between the reporting verb and reported speech, we use a conjunction. It depends on according to the sentence of inverted comma or sentence of reported speech. My dear learners, so now let's start how we can change reported speech. There is three types of changes. Now we are going to discuss about the three kinds of changes in reported speech. Let's start our next topic. Into reported speech. That means we have three types of changes into our reported speech. Number one, person change. Number two, tense change. Number three, word change. You know, my dear learners, persons are three types. Number one, first person, second person, and third person. Tense changes. There are 12 tenses in English language. Number one, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. These 12 tenses in our English language. So in a speech change, we have to change tenses. And there is some special words. The words denote near us. We have to change the further one. The words denote the near. That means noikottubatuk. It means it is near us. But when we will change, it will go further. That means it will turn into a further word, but durubortibachok shabdo. Now follow the example on the board. Robi said to me, I play cricket. My dear learners, can you tell me what type of sentence I play football? You are right, I think. It is an assertive sentence and affirmative sentence. Can you tell me what type of tense is this sentence? It is a present indefinite tense. Now my question is, how did you understand that it is a present indefinite tense? Because the verb is in the present form. If the verb is in the present form, the sentence is present indefinite tense. Now question is, how we can change present indefinite tense? My dear learners, now we try to change it. Robi here is said. I told you said will be changed into told if there is object. So after the verb said, here is object. So said will be changed into told. And we do not use preposition to after told. So Robi told me. We do not use preposition to after told. So here to will be omitted. So Robi told me. And in my previous class I told you, between reporting verb and reported speech we use a conjunction, that is differ according to the sentence. As it is assertive sentence, we use that. Robi told me that. Now the point is, I is a first person. Follow the board. I told you and I have written on the board, we need three types of changes. Number one, person change. Number one, person change. I is a first person. It will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. What we learned? We learned the first person of a reported speech will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. That means I will turn into Robi. We do not write Robi here, but we can use the pronoun of Robi, that is he. As the Robi is a masculine gender, the pronoun, and we can as a masculine gender we can use the pronoun as Robi, he. So person is changed. First person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Next come verb. As it is the present form of the verb, so it is a present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense will be changed into past indefinite tense. So the structure of past indefinite tense is first subject, then the past form of the verb. So the past form of the verb is played. Robi told me that he played. Next, football. So we understood how we can change the tense and person. Now I am writing you the changing system of person and tense accordingly on the board. Dear students, person sense. First person of a reported speech will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Example, Abdullah said to Ravi, "You are an honest boy." How we can change it? Now follow the instruction that was given by me in the past. Said will be changed into told. So Abdullah told, and after the verb told, we do not use preposition to. So to is omitted from here. Abdullah told Ravi. And I told you, between reported speech and reporting verb, we use a conjunction. If the reported speech is an assertive sentence, we use that. So here that is taken place. Abdullah told Ravi that, and the person says, sorry, here is a mistake. I am, because I written here first person. I am an honest boy. Abdullah said to Ravi, I am an honest boy. So Abdullah told Ravi that I will be changed according to the subject Abdullah. So here is written A for Abdullah. We use he as a pronoun of Abdullah. So he, and here is am is are will be changed into was were. But it is not our matter now. Our main point is person change. So I is first person, it will be changed according to the subject. So subject is Abdullah. Here we use he instead of Abdullah, and written here A to indicate Abdullah he. I hope you have got the idea of changing first person, how we can change first person in a reported speech. Now the changing system of second person. Now follow the board. Second person of a reported speech will be changed according to the object of reporting. For example, Abdullah said to Ravi, you are an honest boy. Here, similarly, Abdullah told Ravi that you, that means second person of a reported speech. It is second person will be changed according to the object. Object is Ravi. So here he means are. Ravi, here is am is are. After he we use was. He was an honest boy. My dear learners, we learned the first person of a reported speech will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb, and the second person of a reported speech will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. And what will be the third person? There is no change. That means third person of reported speech has no change. So, my dear learners, third person of reported speech has no change. My dear learners, our today's topic is narration. Today we learn about the changing system of person, how we can change a person in a reported speech. In our next class, I will discuss the changing system of tense. Till then, you keep fit, healthy and hearty. Thank you very much. I will give you thanks once again. Thank you very much.